Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the maintenance part of the oxygen concentrator. BPL oxygen concentrators provide 5 liters per minute continuous flow oxygen of concentration 93%. This model is CE certified, which meets patient safety and environmental requirements. The oxygen concentrator is specially designed to minimize routine preventive maintenance. Oxify Neo has heavy-duty compressors with thermal protection and also has pressure relief valves which ensures patient safety. Oxygen concentrator works on pressure swing absorption technique, that is PSA technique, where the nitrogen is removed from the air using zeolite minerals which absorbs the nitrogen, leaving the other gases to pass through and leaving an oxygen as a primary gas. BPL oxygen concentrators has inbuilt sensors that monitor oxygen levels and is shown through LED lights. The explanation of indicator lights. Green light indicates system is in good working condition and oxygen concentrator is greater than 82%. If the yellow indicator lights up, oxygen concentrator is greater than 50% and less than 82%. If the red indicator goes up, then there is a system failure where the oxygen concentration is less than 50% and there might be an issue with pressure cycle and the compressors. Different error codes on LCD screen. Yellow indicates the oxygen concentration is below 50%. E1 or E2 indicates low or high cycle pressure failure alarms. E3 or E4 indicates compressors open or short circuit failure alarm. If there is any error code of E1, E2, E3, E4, please contact the service engineer for assistance. Humidifier bottles. User should always monitor the water level in the humidifier. Change the water in the humidifier bottle every day. Clean the humidifier with the liquid detergent and rinse thoroughly with warm water. Cleaning or replacing filters. Oxify Neo has 2 types of filters, stage 1 filter or air filter, stage 2 filter or mesh filter. If the device is used for COVID patients, BPL recommends to change the filters. Replacing fuse tubes. Extra fuses provided as standard. Fuse tubes for net power can be replaced by the user in case of failure. Safety notes for maintenance. Please use a voltage stabilizer where the electrical source or the power supply are not in normal range. Connect the oxygen concentrator only to a grounded 3-wire receptacle. Do not plug the oxygen concentrator into any loose power socket. Place an oxygen concentrator in a room such a way that all sides are at least 10 centimeters away from the wall, furniture or any other obstruction. Do not place the oxygen concentrator in a confined space. Oxygen concentrator should not be used in a dusty environment. Do not place any object on the oxygen concentrator. Never block the air openings of the oxygen concentrator or place them on any soft surface like bed or couch which might block the air openings. Rest the oxygen concentrator for 30 minutes after a continuous usage of 8 hours. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.